My name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and linguistic fingerprinting. So, linguistic fingerprinting is the ability of machines or AI or machine learning systems to be able to identify someone uniquely by the way that they write. So, for example, let's say someone is on an internet blog or on a social media network. These agencies are looking, these U.S. intelligence agencies are looking to develop technologies around being able to identify someone, even if they, try to be anonymous on the internet. So this system or this particular project is called HIATUS, Human Interpretable Attribution of Text Using Underlying Structure, HIATUS. So basically, they're going to use these systems to develop AI so that they can identify someone uniquely based on their writing style. Also, they want to be able to use it, maybe sort of reverse engineer it in some way. So for example, let's say if they have agents that are communicating on the internet or in writing, to be able to change their style so that it does not identify them. So this is very interesting. I know that in terms of cyber threats and the types of things that U.S. intelligence agencies are trying to look into, being able to have AI in some way be able to identify someone by the way that they speak, which is actually, or the way that they write, is very unique because people do have a style that can be picked up in these systems. I think one really interesting thing about this is that it's sort of a gray area here. I don't know if someone would in the future consider someone's linguistic or writing a type of biometric, but it may be something that people really need to define a bit better in terms of where someone's privacy rights fall in using these types of technologies around communications of individuals. So currently this is being developed for the government. I'm sure that at some point, as many things do, it may fall over into commercial use. And then when it falls over to commercial use, it'll be interesting to see how these types of technologies are being used. But I thought it was really interesting to see the U.S. AI intelligence agencies try to move in this direction with AI to make people either identifiable or not. That's it. Thank you.